Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, this is Liana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate a floral backsplash. Also, in my next week's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate the centerpiece. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. So this was my way of creating this beautiful floral backsplash. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free, and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.